Hey, what's going on, guys? It's you, Dusted. So pretty much I'm just gonna give a quick rundown on what's going on. Putting together my brother's motor. He blew his motor at the track. He had a 2004 Fobra 2-valve. Pretty much I've been putting this together for him for a couple months. Looks like we pretty much have everything we need going forward. Just figured out the K-member situation. 4.6 motor mounts. Pretty much 4.6 K-member, 79-204 with a modular motor in it. Clearance looks really good. It clears the pan. It looks very close, but it clears. Headers clear very nicely. This side as well. It looks tight, but it's actually not when you go back there. American Racing headers, 1 7/8. Yeah, pretty much just doing the good stuff that you need for a Gen 1, Gen 3 intake. I'm gonna port this one eventually. Just want to get it running first, see how much the difference is with the port. 85mm throttle body, powered by the hour kit. I actually reused this one from my Coyote swap. I ended up getting the Roush bracket, so I still had all the parts for it. Hoses already set up. Pretty much just got to put them on the car. I'm trying to think what else. Oil system's already figured out. Deleted the oil cooler. We don't really know what it's going to do until we put it all together, but hopefully we're looking to do maybe high 11s, really low 12s. But yeah, so pretty much it's just the update for it. And yeah.